Bring it every twice you do the shot to get it top in.
Come right here. Alright, we're here at the EMP motocross shop, auto repair. You guys should come here. It's in Fort Myers, Florida. And we're gonna get the bike fixed.
Second time going back. So we're getting ready to hit this 15-footer. Put a Christmas tree in it. But it's fine dope. Man, it's really not that deep. It's really not that deep. Just hit it, dude. You don't even need to hit it wide open. Actually, on the pit bike you do. But are you gonna use the actual run up, or are you gonna use a different, like the straight?
What?
Are you gonna use the actual like turn, or are you gonna use like the straight?
I can't go straight. We have to use a turn.
Okay.
Oh my phone.
Easy, buddy. Yeah. Oh, you think? Readjusted the berm a little bit. This tiny one. Let me try it.
Yep. Look at these ruts. Jump's forming in pretty good. You got some few solid lines in. Track's forming up real good right now. That inside is very superior to this outside line. This inside just rails. The outside not so much. Got a race pit bike, no jump.
Dude, how are you recording it? You doing what I said?
Yeah, I'm recording zoomed in.
You have to use 2 hands to do it.
What do you mean?
You have to constantly move the zoom in stuff.
I know.
Not doing it good.
What are you doing, squid? On rails right now. The outside, I gotta groom this up real fast.
Pretty decent.
Oh my god, I freaking dumped it. Hit the back brake, fell off the back. Little bruise right there. Ah, you cleared it!
I let off too.
You got it! Ready?
No, hang on. Here, run me over. Perfect. Now we gotta find a way back around. Find a little bit of new trails we haven't been on before. Ooh, it's like a choppy place. Make a tracker.
See, we training out for the quad beginner class, but they got racing quads. Racing quads. You see this right here? Honda TRX 250. Stock only got an exhaust and intake, and they only got a nothing. See, they got all the good stuff on there. You got a little big boy and a racing motor. See, you ain't got a bougie stuff to go fast, bro. You got all little dirty on the motor, and you just go right.
Gotta keep doing stupid stuff. Man, why you blipping the throttle like a goon?
The run-up is like this.
Then why would you blip it? Just hold it wide open. Hit it. You got it? You're gonna have to bunny hop. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Get more speed. Mm-hmm.
There you go. Oh, slide forward.
You hit a wet line. Nation is on his side.
She's meant. Whip.
Throw a little whip. Dang it. Who'll be the bushins?